Welcome back to Next Gen AI Lab, your go-to guide for unlocking the full power of AI without the overwhelm. Now let me ask you, what if you could turn pure imagination into a full animated video? No actors, no cameras, no editing. That's exactly what Kling AI does. From footballers farming in rice fields to cinematic fantasy worlds, people are creating mind-blowing videos with just a single line of text. Stick around, because I'll walk you through how it works. And if you don't want to miss the future of AI video creation, hit that subscribe button before we dive in. Alright, let me show you how to access and explore Kling AI. First, open your browser and search for Kling AI on Google. It should show up right at the top. Just click on the first result, and you'll land on the official homepage. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of demo videos created by other users. I recommend checking out a few of them. The animation quality is seriously impressive. What's cool is, each video shows the exact prompt used to create it, so you can instantly see how others are writing prompts and get inspiration for making your own videos fast and easy. Now, before doing anything, just hit sign in or create a free account on the left sidebar. It takes like 10 seconds, and once you're in, the fun begins. You'll notice two main tools in the AI generation section. Image under Colors 2.1. To create crazy good AI art video under Kling 2.1, where we'll be turning text into full-blown animated clips. Click on AI Video, then choose Text to Video. This is where the real fun begins. For example, create a video of a footballer farming in a lush green field, wearing his iconic jersey with a calm yet determined expression. Cool, right? Now let's fine-tune the settings. Video mode, choose standard, quick, or professional, sharper. Duration, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, up to you. Aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. Number of outputs, want more versions to pick from? Set it here. Creativity level, more realism or more style? You control the vibe. You'll also see a negative prompt box. This is where you say what you don't want in your video. Things like animation, blur, distortion, cartoon, collage, logos. Once everything looks good, just smash that bright green Generate button and let Kling cook. Now, we've reached the part where I would normally demo how to create an actual video using Kling AI. But at the moment, the system is overloaded, so I'm not able to generate it right now. That said, I've already shown you all the steps. Just follow them, and you'll be able to create your own video as soon as the system is back online. I'll update with a full demo video as soon as Kling is working again. Pretty amazing, right? The best part is, you don't need expensive gear, a big team, or months of learning to create something incredible. With AI, it's all right at your fingertips, and every week these tools get even better. Stick around by hitting subscribe, so the next time a powerful tool drops, you'll be the first to know and the first to use it.